Hi, I'm Carissa Workman, the City of Santee's Fire Marshal. Fireworks are often used to mark special events and holidays. Did you know that on average, more than 19,500 fires are started by fireworks each year? And each year, emergency rooms treat more than 9,000 firework injuries, mostly to hands, fingers, legs, and eyes. We want to remind you the only safe way to view fireworks is to attend a professional show. Here are some options and alternatives for your 4th of July celebration this year. You can attend the City of Santee's Santee Salutes event on July 4th. The fireworks show will begin around 9 p.m. You can also enjoy glow sticks, a red, white, and blue piñata, blowing bubbles, and confetti poppers, which are fun and safe activities for kids. You can also watch a laser light or drone show, or you can watch a fireworks show online or on TV. Sparklers alone account for roughly 1/4 of the annual fireworks injuries.
Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Cakes bake at 350 degrees. Wood burns at 570 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know that glass melts at 900 degrees? How hot do sparklers burn? Well, sparklers burn at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. But remember, we all think they're fun, but they're illegal.
It is important to know that fireworks are illegal in San Diego County, and fireworks are not safe in the hands of consumers. Let's use these safety tips to help prevent firework injuries or fires so resources can be available on busy holidays like the 4th of July.